Hey guys, welcome to TechnoSalad. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make Spotify playlist public. So watch the video till the very end because I will show you two ways to make Spotify playlist public. So let's get started. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel to watch upcoming useful tech videos like this. First, let's see how to make Spotify playlist public on Spotify mobile app. First, open Spotify app on your mobile device. The process is almost identical to iPhone and Android device. Now tap on your library option located at the bottom of the screen. Here under playlist you will find your playlist. Open the playlist that you want to make public. Now tap on three dots in the upper right corner. Scroll down and tap on Make Public. A pop-up message should automatically appear saying that playlist is now public. If you find the option that says Make Secret, that means the playlist is already public. In case you want to make the playlist private again, then tap the three dots and select Make Secret. Please note that once you make the playlist public, any Spotify user can see your playlist. Now we will see how to make Spotify playlist public from desktop app. First open Spotify app on your Mac or PC. I am talking about standalone Spotify app and not the web player. Now open the playlist that you would like to make public. You will find it on the left sidebar menu under playlist. Click the three dots to the right of the large green play button just below the playlist name. Now under various options, click on Make Public. In case you change your mind in future and want to make the playlist back to private, then open the same menu again and select Make Secret. So that was the short tutorial on how to make Spotify playlist public. Do check out our other useful Spotify tips videos. If you find the video helpful, then please like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.